I think I saw Maeve had a little jacket on or a little sweater.
So cute.
So cute, and she'll definitely need it this weekend.
I know, absolutely. The good news for the puppy, though, is that we're going to hold on to the snow for a while, so she'll get to enjoy running on the beach all she wants, because we're not going to warm up really over the next couple of days and allow some of that snow to melt. Very, very cold. The coldest day is going to be on Saturday, but the good news is that we at least had some more sunshine today. Even though it was still pretty cold out, it made us feel a little bit better, especially in the afternoon. We did pick up a couple more clouds today than we did in comparison to yesterday, but overall still a pretty nice day. But we'll have mostly clear skies overnight tonight, which is going to allow our temperatures to drop very far overnight tonight. So a lot of us, especially in northern Maine, are going to be temperatures down in the negatives. We've got all the way down to Bangor. We have some zeros out there, even closer to the coast, still in the single digits to lower teens. So overall tonight it is going to be very cold, and that wind chill makes it feel even colder. That's why the National Weather Service has issued a wind chill advisory for northern Maine, and this is in effect until tomorrow at 9 a.m. because we could see wind chill temperatures down to negative 25 degrees in this area. So make sure you bundle up if you're going to be out early tomorrow morning, because it's going to be very, very cold. And that's really the story that we have over the next couple of days. Tomorrow is going to be a bit of a split state forecast. Once again, we're going to start off the day very cold, and then more areas in southern Maine is going to see some more cloud cover, because we do have a system that's passing safely to our south. So we're not going to see any precipitation from this, but southern Maine will be able to see some more cloud cover. You can just kind of see the very bottom of the screen there, some of those snow showers down to our south, but we aren't going to get any precipitation here like I mentioned. Northern Maine, though, will be able to see plenty of sunshine throughout the day on Friday, especially in the late afternoon. But as we start to get overnight, we will still build in some of that cloud cover up in northern Maine. Still some clouds near the coast, but overall not too bad. Once again, though, very, very cold. Saturday is going to be both the cloudiest and the coldest day of this stretch, even with regular temperatures, and once you factor in that wind chill as well. I would say Saturday, partly to mostly cloudy throughout the entire day, so we don't even have that sun to make things feel a little bit warmer. So not the greatest day to start the weekend. The good news is that Sunday we'll get some more sunshine, and it'll be a little bit warmer. We'll also start that warming trend. Something we have to contend with, though, is that it's going to be a bit breezy over the next couple of days. So this is Friday evening with wind gusts between 15 to kind of 20 miles per hour, and we're going to do the same thing for Saturday and for Sunday, albeit maybe a little bit breezier in the afternoon on Sunday, and that's going to make it feel even colder than the actual temperature is outside. So wind chill is a big factor in this forecast, so even as we get into Friday afternoon, and this is Friday at 4 p.m., still have wind chills out there in the single digits and in the negatives. Saturday, we have wind chills in the negatives all the way down to the coast. So Saturday, I want to emphasize, is going to be a very, very cold day out there. We do start to warm up a little bit in both wind chill temperature and regular temperature as we get into Sunday, but still, I'm going to keep saying it, it's a very cold stretch that we've got ahead. Marine forecast seas 2 to 5 feet, got that small craft advisory in effect until early tomorrow morning. So our 7-day forecast is a cold one. Overall, the weekend, not too bad if you bundle up. And the next chance of precipitation, we're not really looking at until the middle of next week overall. So Alex, because as long as you have your hat, scarf, gloves, and coat, we got a good stretch coming up, but make sure you bundle up.
Yep, we're going to need to. Thanks, Dana.